Hi, Diane here, and I'm a stay-at-home mom who dabbles in TV work. I have 2 cute kids, 3 dogs, a hubby, and this beautiful home here in Montana. I had a professional career in news and PR, and by the time we had 2 kids, I felt like I was drowning. It was mostly in laundry. I told my husband I would stay at home with the kids and focus on what's most important. I have learned so much these past few years. When I was caught up in the fast-paced life, home maintenance didn't even cross my mind. Then I was suddenly at home all of the time. I started to look around, see these little things that needed taken care of, and one big thing when our pipes froze and caused a huge water leak. Now I completely take ownership of our home. It's our investment. It's also cool to show my little girls that women can do anything. My secret though is Home Manager. It's like a homeowner's manual with modern technology that tells me exactly what needs to be done and when, so I can keep this place in tip-top shape, maintain my home value, keep insurance costs down, and not have any surprise water leaks. Whether it's a shingle out of place or a water heater set too high, these things can easily cost thousands. Home Manager keeps us on task and on budget. Over the past few years, I have mastered diaper changes while on my phone. Now I'm taking that phone, I am mastering my home maintenance right here. Not kidding you, I can even text a home expert from the hot water heater room when I'm in there and I have no idea what I'm looking at. So handy. A lot of people neglect their home maintenance. It's actually higher than any time in history, which is kind of crazy because your home is your safe place. It's your biggest investment. In fact, there are 101 tasks that need to be done around the home each year that can prevent house fires, water damage, mold, and insurance claims. All of these are a huge inconvenience. Now, I know though, the best way to protect my family and avoid these disasters is to prevent them from happening. As a mom, of course, my top concern is the safety and well-being of my family. How do I know how to prevent all of these problems? Well, I really don't, but Home Manager does. When I searched online for a checklist of what to do to maintain my home, there was absolutely nothing comprehensive. I even went down a rabbit hole of YouTube maintenance videos. Let me go ahead and save you the time. Just use Home Manager. In summary, when you buy a home, it is one of the biggest investments in your entire life. Instead of the keys, the first thing you should be handed is a manual on upkeep, maintenance, ultimately how to take care of your property. Now that manual is Home Manager. It's digital, it's easy to use with monthly auto reminders, DIY videos, links to professionals if you don't want to do a DIY project on your own, even the average project cost. You can find it at homemanager.io. It has so many perks, even prizes each month. So go claim your home. I'll see you next time.